All right, so basically what I want to do is just fix this issue. So you're gonna see when I go down like this, the thing here just kind of collapse, right? Which is really not super great. I'd rather it didn't collapse quite so much. Because I look at the rest of it, and honestly, it's not too terrible. There's definitely some issues, but I'm not seeing anything that's gonna make me, you know, cry. So the only one that bothers me is just the arms going down, and it wouldn't even be that big of an issue because if you're just moving like this, that's not too bad. But the arms are gonna be down, like that's initially what's going to happen. So that's obviously an issue. The rest of it's, you know, it's fine for the most part. There's a little bit of volume loss here, but with it would take lots of weight painting, and that's a whole thing in of itself. And honestly, you should have already done weight painting before. So all I'm gonna do is show you how to quickly and easily remove weight from areas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to show, I'm gonna do none, and then I'm gonna do show polygons. So all I see are my polygons. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double click this edge loop, double click this edge loop, double click this edge loop, all the way down here like that. And I'm gonna make sure I go around here too, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically convert, change this. Oh, sorry, I didn't even tell you how to do that. I'm gonna hold Control and right click, and I'm gonna go two vertices. So I have these vertices selected, and what I'm gonna do then is go to Windows, General Editors, Component Editor, and it's gonna give me this big long window here, and this is a lot of stuff. What I need to do is remove the weight of the joint that's affecting that area. Okay, so let's hide 0 columns because I don't need that. That was off, but I do want that on. All right, and I'm looking at these names, and it's really hard to I wonder if, let's see, show selected columns. Okay, so this says character spine. That's fine. This one's spine. Spines obviously should be there. That's not a big deal. What's this one say? Right upper leg. Should that be affecting that? I don't believe the right upper leg should be affecting that, so that's going to come off. Right shoulder. Yeah, we'll probably need to take that one. Right arm. It's probably left up leg. Oops. What just happened there? Somehow let's see, Control Z. Somehow I unselected it. Okay, so let's see, this one's spine. What's this? Right upper leg. I don't think the leg should be on there either. So this goes from hips. I'll leave the hips on there. That's not that big of a deal. But left arm. So basically from here to here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to hold shift and click down here. So basically I grab this entire group and I'm going to type in 0 and hit enter. And what that's going to do is it's going to remove the weight of those joints. And now you'll see if I show all again, when I go to put this down, it will not be affected by the arm anymore. Okay, I just basically removed that weight from there, which is mostly what I wanted to do. Okay, and it should do it for both because I removed both at the same time. That's just the easiest way, honestly, to rig that, I think. And that looks fine. Okay, and I'm not going to concern myself too much with the other things there. So the next thing to do would be basically just to animate this. I'm going to hold off on that for right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. So Control-Shift-S, and we're going to save it as the next version. Okay, so 3. All right, and Control-Shift-S again, and we're also going to save it over top of rig. Save as. Yep. Okay, good. And that's good for this guy. And the next thing to do, like I said, is going to be to animate it. But I'm not going to animate it right away. We're going to do that in a little bit.